Hello friends, till now you have made many paneer preparation like palak paneer, butter paneer, paneer tikka masala etc. But today's dish is totally different. This is paneer in barbecue sauce. So let's start. Try this preparation at your home.
In this preparation, I have used an unique sauce which is barbecue sauce. You can get this sauce in supermarkets like Spencer, Big Bazaar. Estimated total time to make this preparation is 20 minutes. Here I have taken 20 pieces of paneer, 2.5 teaspoon of barbecue sauce, 3 to 4 teaspoon of homemade curd. Don't take the sour one. 1 tomato, handful cashew, salt to taste, butter optional, ginger, garlic, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon sunflower oil, 2 teaspoon sesame seeds. Now blend tomato, cashew, ginger, garlic, curd and barbecue sauce. Please subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Please press the bell icon to get all notifications. Like my video, comment on my video and please share my videos too. You will get an orange-red colored mixture. Heat the pan and sunflower oil. Then fry cumin seeds. When cumin seeds start to sizzle, add the mixture. Now cook it in medium to high flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Sprinkle salt. Stir it again and again, otherwise it will stick to pan. Add paneer in the sauce. Then add water. Now cook it in medium to high flame for around 5 minutes. You can put butter if you want. At last, add sesame seeds. Paneer in barbecue sauce is ready. It is reddish in color. It has a different taste. Try at your home and let me know. Take care. Bye-bye.